Whether you're negotiating a deal, assessing the impact of policy decisions, or setting strategy, having insights into how the market works and being able to compare different publishers' approaches puts you in a strong position. DeltaThink's open access data and analytics tool combines multiple data sources and expert analysis to give you unparalleled insights into what's really happening in the complex open access market. This short video will show you a few examples of how the tool can work for you. Example 1. Understanding publication costs, the options available, and whether prices reflect value for money. Our extensive information about article processing charges allows you to understand, assess, and advise on what's really happening in the marketplace. With over 14,000 journal prices listed and updated annually, you can put individual journal prices in context and see what's cheap, expensive, and typical across the marketplace. This alone will save you a huge amount of time in rounding up and analysing publishers' price lists. But our data go way beyond that. Understanding the spread of prices and how popular they are can help assess potential costs across your organisation. Seeing how prices compare between hybrid and fully open access journals can help you understand the effects of these different models on your costs and on the market in general. Understanding value as well as price is important when assessing the market and negotiating the best deal. We know that researchers choose journals based on impact, so seeing how prices relate to impact gives us a powerful tool for seeing if the market is functioning. You can see the relationship, or lack of one, between price and performance and see how it varies between fully open access and hybrid journals. The tool's fine-grained subject filtering allows these patterns to be visualized for particular disciplines and means that alternative publication venues can be found that may offer comparable levels of impact at lower prices or under alternative models, such as using fully open access instead of hybrid journals. This can help you assess how collections stack up and which journals might be included in what deals. Finally, when negotiating bulk deals or membership discounts, it's important to assess value across publishers' entire portfolios. The tool allows you to see how publishers compare and how business models compare at the click of a mouse. You can see which publishers offer the best bang for your buck. Example 2. Understanding the use and uptake of open access. This is useful information to have when negotiating or assessing the market and policy impacts. The tool shows how the appetite and potential for open access varies by discipline and publisher. Understanding the proportion of journals and articles that are open access within disciplines can give a read on the appetites and potential for open access use. When set in the context of how much of the total literature each discipline accounts for, you can see which areas might be more or less affected and where priorities might lie. You can also see how publishers are responding to market influences by looking at what proportions of the major publishers' portfolios have which open access options, fully open access, hybrid or none, and seeing how these are changing over time. Example 3. Understanding compliance. Navigating the complex compliance landscape is a challenge, and the tool can help people navigate through this by providing an at-a-glance guide to how publishers' open access options meet funders' requirements using a simple system of color coding. You can also compare multiple funders or multiple publishers' policies side by side. Example 4. People want to know how open access is progressing, but finding good information is not easy. The sources quoted are usually years old, and different sources give different views. By aggregating our exclusive survey data of publishers' actual activities, we can derive correction factors to apply to widely used public data, and so we can get a picture of what's really going on. And by bringing the major sources together in one place, you can see how they compare. This provides you with a quick way of producing reports and communication materials, and means you can take an informed view on trends when making decisions, assessing progress, or advocating your position. The simple but powerful visualizations not only allow you to assess the effects of policy decisions, but also provide ways to communicate and educate people about the choices they make and what's open to them. The tool is produced by DeltaThink, an independent publishing and digital media consultancy with a reputation for delivering unbiased and practical information to the scholarly communications community since 2005. If you'd like to know more, please get in touch with us at the address shown on screen.